Okay, before we start this video, I'm at High Octane Cafe and Bakery. I'm actually about to edit this video that you're about to watch. Awesome place to get breakfast, highly suggested. But one thing I realized that I forgot to mention about the accident in both this video and the last video. The reason why that happened, this is the first car I've ever driven that does not have ABS. That being said, it was really, really wet outside, and I hit my brakes like it was still dry. I locked up all four, didn't realize that I locked up all four, only thought in my head, oh crap, the car's not stopping. So my first thought was, hit the brakes harder. Luckily, I was smart enough to at least put it in neutral, and I probably should have actually downshifted to see if at least the wheels will grip up and at least slow me down before I hit the grass. Maybe I could have steered away. That being said, I can't change the past, but now I know for the future, like when it's wet, or just in general, like the car doesn't have ABS, pump the brakes. I will definitely learn from it. Hope you enjoy the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that, hit the bell so you get notifications whenever I upload. But yeah, enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Video 2 of me returning. Like I said, disclosed location. I'll explain all this later of where I am. There's my Focus SD, high focus. So we got the Miata, which if you haven't seen yesterday's last video, not yesterday's video, I'm not daily uploading. That's too much work for me. If you haven't seen the last video, I brought the Miata home. Yeah, so I turned off one of my pop-ups. Oh, you do it with a wink? No, I turned it off because of this fender rub. That is, yeah. And plus, it doesn't go up and down correctly, so we gotta figure that out too. So I got my buddy Ahmed here, who owns a 1990 Miata, yep. And then I got my random stranger who I met like 5 minutes ago, who's now my friend named Mike. Yep. He owns a what year? 94. 94. So we all got an NA Miata. Ahmed's is also red. What color is yours?
I painted mine blue, NB blue.
But oh, okay. What color was it?
It was red.
Okay, cool. So we're all in the same boat here. Great. Obviously we got a little bit of damage here. We're gonna just like push this out, but we gotta replace this because this is metal. And then I have like a slight front end vibration. I don't know if the wheel became unbalanced, if I broke a strut, technically a coilover. I don't know exactly what's going on. So we'll figure that out, but I think it might also have to do with the way the wind is kind of going over the front fender right now. This car is so light that the littlest bit of wind just kind of throws it. Okay, so full disclosure here. This is my new fender, which it looks, the lighting is terrible. I'm sorry, this whole video is gonna have terrible lighting. Well, that's better. So, full disclosure, I got this bumper for $300. This is a brand new OEM Mazda bumper with a 3-stage clear coat on it. This is a race car from 1991 that has single-stage 30-year-old red paint on it. This is gonna look awful. We're gonna get started right here. The best financial decision I've ever made is this headlight.
Oh, you should have had me bring my 3/8 from Milwaukee.
Oh. I have to look at the radio.
There you go, get your hands.
Alright. There. Man, mutilating my car. Hey, dude, we can totally just call it there now. No. Oh no, I hit the wall. I just hit wall. I didn't hit any tires. That was straight cement wall.
What else do you have?
Max Speeding, cheapo eBay coilovers. I'm really scared right now, I'm not gonna lie.
Why?
Because of how rusted it is. Oh, it came out.
I was gonna say, they mostly come out.
Say if this was like a BMW.
This is a very, very clean stock 1.6.
Thank you.
You just got all the cowl pieces.
Alright, we're having camera technical difficulties. That's what happens when you don't touch a camera for months on end. But yeah, that's there's a little rust spot right here, and this just fell out of my fender. So that's kind of gross. Behind it's not bad actually. That's good. That's good to know that it's not rusty behind the fender. So this should be interesting. The chop shop shit he's about to do, which I don't really care, just because this is a I don't care about the fender. I'm okay with this. If we can get access to more bolts and it doesn't break my front bumper. You do or don't?
I do.
Okay. See, I said let's not. I said let's do it. See, this is what happens, people. I said let's do it, and he said nah, it's fine.
We'll just pop out this 8
Okay. I thought you were holding it. All it is one of those flip
Yeah, I know. I used to drive too.
Okay.
What also hold it?
Oh, I see.
Yeah, they're very obvious.
It's not even holding on anymore.
Yeah, as long as it's loose, it'll slide out. But if you want to bump it,
The bump bumper? I don't know what we're about to do with the bump bumper.
Oh yeah, hey, Johnny Boy got fired too.
yeah?
Yeah.
He's sitting there running for
Yeah.
For what?
You don't believe in him at all. I give him hope. I give him hope.
No, I commend him greatly
Yeah.
for doing the whole thing. It just wasn't for him.
I know.
He needed to go in a different direction.
What now?
There you go.
And that's just one Fender. Should we take you? Can we leave it?
No, I mean, well, yeah, you know, let's fake
It
do this.
wasn't on.
Oh, it's not on?
I don't think so.
No, it's on, but you were totally in the way, so. Fake do-over! Totally didn't take off the front fender, you know.
Yeah, you and Ahmed.
Woo, yeah! There's a giant rust hole, like,
That's good.
yeah, you know. So that's fun. We'll get the mud flap off in a minute. But I was really worried about like the condition of like this area right here. And the frame itself is like the chassis itself is still good. Did I crush this at all?
Yep.
Yes?
Yep.
Alright, it's explanation. So this right here is like straight and this right here is not. So what's happening is when the headlight goes down, it hits right there. So we put a hammer. This is acting as a piece of wood. We put a hammer in here underneath the headlight, right up to that one spot. So like right there, take another hammer. We're just gonna beat it straight. So that was dumb.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're gonna do this the old-fashioned TikTok way just because I really don't want to record all this. So we got this new beautiful Fender. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! I totally didn't like completely forget to leave the camera where it was when I did this. So yeah, of a little panel gap right there. And this front fender is a little messed up. Just, you know, I'm just gonna use some touch-up paint. Call it good, because race car.
You called the bumper a Fender.
Okay, so apparently, and I'm gonna have to figure this out when I'm editing. Editing. He called me out for this. We took a little break and got some Taco Bell. So he called me out. Apparently, I kept calling the Fender a bumper, and now apparently I just called the bumper a Fender. So let's see how like my count of how many times I did that. Thanks to these people named Ahmed, random guy Mike that I just met like 5 minutes ago. Even though now it's been at like 3 hours at this point. They don't have Instagrams. They're boring. You know.
Yep.
So I guess follow me on Instagram, so you can get updates like on this thing and this thing. If I ever do anything with this, it's boring and no fun. It's my daily driver. But thanks for watching the video. Hit that subscribe button. Like. All right, more camera technical difficulties. This is what happens when I don't use the camera for like almost 6 months. So I said subscribe, like, comment already, all that fun jazz. Do you guys have anything important to say?
Have fun. Be safe. Yeah, that was it. That was it.
All right. Thanks for helping me, guys. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. It was cool meeting you, man.
Yeah, I'm really excited to start driving this. I got to do an oil change, and then I might take it for a spin at night. My headlight was having an issue because like the fender and the body and all the chassis. No, I wasn't.
Yeah.
Are they the same things? They're the same things. But yeah, so now it's yeah. So now we got the gap good, and it works. So, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. I'll figure out what my ending is for videos later. I have a giant zit on my forehead, and we're just going to call it the rest of the day. Bye, guys!